What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Juan. We have two Nintendo Switch controllers to unbox. They are from PowerA Gaming. I just wanted to quickly show you guys what you guys should expect when you guys buy these controllers yourself. If you guys are not yet subscribed to the channel, make sure you guys do for any future content just like this. And if you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. That helps me out. But without further ado, let's hop right into the video. All right, so we have these two to unbox. Let's go ahead and start with this one. This is the Sword Edition. This is a wireless Nintendo Switch controller. Looks pretty cool. That's how the box looks. All right, let's go ahead and open it real quick. Let's take this top off. All right, inside you got the battery and a little instruction manual just in case you need it. But this is the controller. Pretty clean. It's pretty lightweight. Feels really good. The sticks are clicky. Not too clicky on the buttons. Let's see the bumpers. Not too bad. This is what the back looks like. There you go. That's so you can connect it wirelessly. Then you got the little bumpers here on this side. You can program those buttons. It is a battery controller, so you have to put the batteries in here. Unfortunately, it doesn't have the option to plug it in and charge. You will have to have batteries for this controller, but it's very clean. I love the design. It looks beautiful. It looks really good. That looks amazing. All right, let's go ahead and hop onto the next one. We got this one as well. It's gonna be the exact same thing, just a different design on the controller. Inside, you have the batteries and the instruction manual. This is what this one looks like up close. Exact same design, exact same buttons, everything's the same, just different design on the top. Look at that face plate. The colors on this just pop so hard. Oh my gosh. The back, you got a little bit of a white back. That looks cool. I like the white here. Then the back over here, it's just black. Looks good too. But yeah, there you have it. Wireless Nintendo Switch controllers from PowerA. Beautiful designs, beautiful controllers. These are incredible. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for the YouTube video here today. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. And if you guys want to check out more content in the future just like this, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. But with that being said, take care, guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.